Connect the power supply of the equipment to the distribution box. Connect the gas to the machine. Nitrogen or argon is recommended for welding. Adjust the pressure gauge to the appropriate air pressure about 0.4. Open the water filling valve. Add purified water or distilled water. Add water slightly higher for the first time. Open the wire feeder and check the accessories. Install the wire feeding tube into the wire feeding machine. Choose the right wire feed wheel. The numbers on the wire feed wheel should correspond to the wire diameter and should be installed facing outwards. Load the prepared welding wire into the wire feeder and fasten the wire feed buckle. Insert the power and signal cables on the back of the wire feeder into the. Turn on the main power switch on the back of the device. Turn on the wire feeder button. Switch the device language. It is not recommended for customers to change other parameters by themselves. Press the wire feed button to send the welding wire out of the wire feed tube. Choose a wire feeding nozzle that corresponds to the wire diameter. The scale tube is generally 0, depending on the laser. There may be occasional deviations, which are subject to the factory and cannot be changed by yourself. Tighten the wire feed and align the wire feed with the welding head. Press the wire retract button to adjust the welding wire to the appropriate position. Turn on the emergency stop button of the equipment, turn right and lift. Press the system or water cooler button. Heat the water temperature to above 20 degrees Celsius. Press the laser button. Enter the process interface. Enter the settings interface and enter the password 123456. Switch the language. It is not recommended to change the other parameters on this interface. Enter the diagnostic interface. Click on the solenoid valve to enable. Test whether the solenoid valve is working properly. Clamp the ground wire to the welding platform. When welding, keep the welding gun at an angle of about 45% to the workpiece. Pick up the welding gun after welding is completed. Welding effects in different power ranges. Change welding process parameters. Cutting function. Remove the wire feeding assembly from the gun head. Turn off the wire feeder. Replace cutting nozzle. Adjust the air valve to maximum. Enter the process. Adjust the swing to 0 and increase the power appropriately. The maximum cutting thickness is 3 mm. Cutting work, it is recommended to clamp the ground wire clamp to the gun head and keep 80 to 90 between the gun head and the plate. Weld bead cleaning function. Replace the soldering tape with the S2OD. Enter the process interface. Select process library No. 8 and fine-tune the swing width 3 to 8 mm. Weld cleaning work. Laser rust removal. Switch the system to cleaning mode. Enter the settings interface and enter the password 123456. Select f150 to 30 mm mode. It is not recommended to change other settings. If you have any questions, please contact our technical staff. Remove the welding scale tube and accessories from the gun head. Show 30mm cleaning effect. Double-click the button to start working. Large format cleaning mode. Replace the F800 cleaning component. Be careful to prevent dust during replacement. Enter the settings interface and enter the password 123456. Select F800 cleaning mode. Enter the process interface and change the format to 120mm. Double-click the button to clean. Comparison of cleaning effects of two different formats.